Welcome to Julie Atelier, guys. Today I suggest you make a small textile bunny together without needle and sewing. We will use cotton fabric approximately 22 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide. I measure with my palms as our grandmothers used to make in ancient times. Because this bunny is one of the oldest toy in the Ukrainian culture and history. In ancient times, it was made so that babies would fall asleep faster. So we cut the fabric and fold it in a half lengthwise. We lift one edge of the fabric and put the fold into the middle so that visually we get two triangles. These will be the future ears of our bunny. We win the entire fabric with a bunch of the thread as I do on this video, stepping back 1.5 centimeters from the inner fold. Ukrainians call this toys as motanka because they made using the winding and knotting technique. The winding direction is clockwise. It's important. It's like in progress. And even number of turns and odd numbers of knots. Here you can already see the ears of our little bunny. Now we take a small piece of cotton spun and twist it tightly and put inside the fabric. In this way we form the bunny's head. Can you see this? It's very important that it should be tight. Again we rewind the fabric. Usually I make 6 turns and 3 knots. And then cut off the excess thread. So it's easy but very funny. You can make for your children very fast many of that kind of rabbits, or you can make it for Easter, for example. So next we will create the bunny's body. To do this we tightly twist a larger piece of cotton spun and put it in the middle of the fabric. And please note that half of this part of the fabric should remain empty. Then we close the hole and fold the fabric so that the edge is 2 centimeters above the bunny's neck. And again we wind the thread 6 turns and tie 3 knots. We cut off the thread and look, we have small collar for a rabbit, and we can put inside our finger, so you can play already with your bunny. And this bunny has long ears, so it can listen to the sadness and dreams of the babies and help them to sort everything out. In my opinion, many adults also have something to tell the bunny for now. So I wish you a good mood, a lot of inspiration, and of course, subscribe on my channel. I will teach you more very interesting things to do. Hi.